my name is Kai Freeman and I serve as the Indiana University Student Body President. So right now I just want to do a quick introduction and show you all where the office is, where I'll be going to, where my office is located. So we have this cool little wall right there. Boom, IU Student Government. And then we're gonna take a walk inside to see what's going on in here. So essentially this is where the student government is comprised of 3 branches. So we have the legislative branch, the executive branch, and the judicial branch. But we also have 2 departments, that is the election commission, as well as the Department of Student Rights. But right now we're gonna go and take a trip over to my office and we're gonna kind of flip it around so you all can see a little bit what's going on. Now again, we are students, so maybe a little bit of mess that's there, but they're gonna turn it around so you all can see. And then this is the office. Have a bunch of things going, some flyers, and we have a flag right there, you all, because one thing to note is it's a great time around here because it is Black History Month. So we have the LGBTQ flag right here, but with the black and brown stripe, because you did not know, I am an openly gay Black man. Woo! So that is super duper fun. That's here. But as you all can see, I've started my Zoom meeting here where we'll be talking about, again, I talked about the committee to develop a policy on how IUPD will really be regulating marijuana in the residence halls that's here. So there's a lot of nuances that are there in this conversation, but we have the opportunity to really engage and figure out a solution for that. So I'm super excited. And as you can see, we're about to get started. So I'm gonna come and tell you a little bit afterwards what happens. And okay, I'll see you then. Okay everyone, so we just got out of the IMU and I am now in my car because I'm going to drive over to the SRC as I said before. Okay, so we have made it inside of the SRC. So the SRC is a super cool space here on campus where again they have a lot of our workout facilities. They have the pool here where I'm going to take you to the door so you can at least like look in and see, which again they utilize. It's like an Olympic size pool, everyone. Super duper dope. Yes, I'm outside of it right now, but they do classes and things of that caliber in there. So I typically come up here and I just wait for my trainer, which his name is Robbie, which is a student as well. And then we'll go to the back and then I'll show you a little bit about that experience. Okay, so what is up everyone? So now I am here with my personal trainer, which I'm gonna let him introduce himself because he's amazing. Go ahead.
Hi, my name's Robbie. I'm Kai's personal trainer. I've been working here for a couple semesters now, and I am a student here.
So what are we gonna be doing today, Robbie?
Today we're gonna be running you through a push day. So we're gonna be focusing on your chest, your triceps, and your shoulders. And yeah.
Pray for me, everyone. Okay, so now we are walking into the psychology building, everyone. Because again, like I told you, I'm going to the NAACP event that they'll be having today. What is up, everyone? I woke up like this. Tired. Still. So we're about to start off my Monday, and you know, the first thing that I go to do all the time is you have to eat breakfast because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. My breakfast consists of 4 breakfast sausages and 2 packets of oatmeal because I love oatmeal and maple brown sugar to be actually factual. That's my zhuzh. So right now, you all, I am in a meeting on diversity, equity, and inclusion, and we're having these collective conversations with administrators about ways that we as students would like to see, you know, some form of action taken on, you know, bias incidents that occur on our campus here as well. So I'll show you a little bit of the meeting I'm in right now so you can see all of the people that are kind of involved right here. Okay, everyone, so now we are finished with my technology and public affairs class, and now we're going on to first of all to go to my car so we can drive over to the IMU. So from then I have about a 2-hour break where some of that time is spent doing, you know, some projects that I have, some homework, or just having meetings with our advisors, which Allison Mirren is one that I typically talk to during that time just to get on a good page of where we need to go for the student government and any upcoming things that I should be aware of or conversations that we've kind of discussed. And now I'm going to be actually on my way to class now. So we're about to get up and leave, and then I shall see you in a bit, but let's go ahead and get going. I'm going to employment law in the Global International School. Hamilton Luger. I should have just said Hamilton Luger. But we're about to be out now, y'all. Peace. Okay, everyone, so I just finished up my employment law class. In the quiz was a little difficult, I'm not gonna lie to you. So now what I'm about to do is I'm about to head back to the IMU, the Indiana Memorial Union, because we have cabinet tonight. So again, that is a meeting that I have with my executive board of all of the directors of the various policy committees that we have, and we kind of do updates. We go over projects that we're really going to look into and things that we should be talking about and figuring out, you know, solutions to.
Today is the big day. It is the evolution of leadership. The panel series that we're planning to bring all of the previous Black student body presidents here to talk about, you know, the power, the progress, and all of the things that have been accomplished throughout this time, but also looking at it, this cross-generational conversation on where we still need to go for representation here at this university. So I need to get up and figure out my outfits for all of that, because today is still a very busy day.
Okay, so what's up, everyone? So I am joined here by the lovely, the incomparable
Madeline Dietrichs.
student body vice president. So we are here about to have lunch with Michael Coleman, who was the student body president in 2010, and we are joined by some other great, amazing people in the student government today. So I'm about to get all up in their face, Who's first? And now this will kind of be closing us off. So I'm glad that you all had the opportunity to kind of see what I do on a weekly basis, whether that is, you know, the limited things that we got to see about my job, as opposed to literally all of the other things of, you know, meetings that we had to go into, the types of discussions that we're talking about, homework and this, that, or the third that's kind of here. And I felt like we went through a very successful week. And now we're going to end it off. And thank you so much for vibing, tuning in. I feel like it was a little hard to get some things, but we did a great job. And I hope that you all can very much so look at this and see that these are all of those opportunities for you to get involved here, all of the many beautiful things that you can experience at the same time. So thank you so much again, and I shall see you all maybe in the near future. You never know. Eventually I'll graduate. Okay, so bye, thank you so much, and peace, love, and soul.